I'm so back. The wall is green. I painted it on stream. How is hot dog a thing? You even have an HTML preview without a browser? No. You gotta open something that does browsing. I read Brazil, so here I am. Nice. Yeah, it's so cute when she's gentle. Man, she's such a good girl. I really like her a lot. Cucumber just tastes like flavored water, like crunchy water, basically. It doesn't even really have a flavor. But she loves cucumber, dude. She freaks out that there's cucumber. It's so funny. It's a great treat to give her, too, because it's like, you can give her unlimited. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just keep giving her cucumber. She likes carrots too, yep. But it's just so cute because, like, she could, like, bite my face off, and she's so nice and so funny. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't give her, like, a whole cucumber. I'm just saying, like, you're gonna have to feel like, oh, she really shouldn't eat this much of it. You know what I mean? As opposed to, like, dog treats. You're like, I don't know. She probably shouldn't eat, like, 5 of these. That would be bad. Normally, if we were doing training or something, I'd cut them into smaller pieces. But in the interest of just, you know, entertaining chat and her getting a few treats, I just gave her some big pieces. Didn't need to draw it out for her. She can just get the big pieces and then go back upstairs and wait for the kids to drop more food. Oh, that's pretty gross. Serious, yeah. Oh, that's wild. Oh, that's pretty money, Koala. Ember is like, it's like a chicken wrap, I guess. Ember's really gentle with other animals too, which is hilarious. She's like, I don't know, it's kind of, she's never really had a chance to, except for she does like chasing squirrels. I don't know that she would be nice to a squirrel if she caught one. The squirrels definitely don't think she's gonna be nice, the way they run away and yell at her. No, I went and got it up from her. I went upstairs to get the sandwich. But she did make it for me. Yeah, that's what I feel like. Do I shout squirrel? No, but it's like my dog does. I never heard a squirrel like yell before or like scream. They had such a weird like angry sound. I don't know what to call it. That's funny, Nightshade. Nothing too cool about him. I don't know if you watched Mark Rober's videos about the squirrels. They're pretty hilarious videos. So you'd mostly practice. Well, when we're eating, we do less, for sure. Michigan squirrels are built different, though. True. Exactly. That's what I'm saying, Nightshade. Oh, why is squirrels better? Yeah, probably a lot of trash to scavenge there. That helps them out. Cedar Point, dude. True. Cedar Point's great. It's Berkeley Mono. W for the hiding. Thank you, chat. Thank you. I appreciate that. Cedar Point is good, though. I'm going this summer. Plastic Michigander vacation. Well, I mean, it's like just a day trip. How'd you get to be friends with Prime? Hanging out on stream, and then I was helping him with some NeoVim stuff. He found out I was NeoVim core, had some calls, became friends. Then we started hosting NeoVim comp together, and then stayed at his house. That was probably when we really became like friends. Was when I was staying at his house. So I stayed with him like 3 times now, I think. And I mean, we talk a lot online. Is it just first time chat with nothing inside? Well, for some reason it doesn't show up anywhere. Getting canceled, part 2. Chat, I gotta eat if I'm gonna have energy. I don't know, lazy man. I don't really want to. I wouldn't really like. It's not really my place to talk about it. You can ask him on his stream. Well, we like knew each other by then, Caleb, but I didn't stay like in the house. He has like an in-law suite kind of thing. I stayed there. I mean, I think I'm a pretty like normal, like pretty boring kind of like, you know, guy. So it was like, I mean, I don't know. You know, I tend to think of myself as I try and seem like a person that would be nice. You know, so we had interacted a lot online, right? It was not like you didn't know me. Our wives have never met, but at some point, I kind of Prime and I have talked about doing a family vacation together, which would be fun. But we'll see. Do I work out? I play basketball and row, but not like a ton. Hey, thanks, Shirai. Why not spend a few hours trying, Pitbull? What's the worst that could happen? What guy in streaming? Prime? I told him I should vacation together in Brazil. That would be fun. Yeah, I've got an erg at my house that I do. Prime said I should stream. I said, okay, I'll try, and then I did. Who's going to end up using Pro? True. Like 3 or 4 years now. Every day? No, not every day. I've been full-time streaming, for 2 months, but like, I don't know. Can't you see this on, is it Twitch Tracker? Is that what it's called? So here's 2020 in July. Yeah, so we're almost at 4 years. I mean, if it means you're not getting done the other things in your life you need to, it might be not a great idea. But if it's just like as a fun side project, I don't see any reason why it would be bad. Did I do a stream with Prime? Why do I have 11 hours? Is that right? You can see here, this is what it looks like. True. True. Dude, I want to play more today. I almost played off stream this morning and like delayed starting stream, but then I didn't do it. Said, there is literally no way I can guarantee you won't get banned. You can just say your comments or don't say them. If you say, I have another comment, but I want an assurance I won't get banned, I will ban you for that, though. Cancel Devin, go to Polybridge. We could play this afternoon for sure. Your lunch break should be Polybridge. See, now you can see Monday through Friday, we're on a roll, except for the few days I got sick. This is going to be very red going forward. You know what? I'm not that good at playing shooters. So it just won't be that fun to watch. I guess it'll be fun to watch me die. But like, I don't know, it just doesn't seem... It's okay. I just not really super like interested in doing it, I guess. Reading the entirety of Emmanuel Live. Yep, there you go. Pal World when? Should we play one? Should I build? How many bridges should we build? Do you feel bad for streaming 3 or 4 years? So I'm 350. What do you mean only 350? 350 is awesome. I have enough that I think I can quit. I think it's legit for me to quit my job and stream. That seems awesome. I write code. I literally write code on stream. Go until you don't get first try. Well, we're at hard levels now. Should do 5 levels. Expecting a reverse burn. 350D's nut. Got him. Stardew Valley, hardest move. I do like Stardew Valley a lot. I've been playing a lot with my wife. I've been just chatting. Yeah. Wasn't expecting a reverse burn. What? I didn't do a reverse burn, did I? It do be Shirai. Well, yeah, Shirai, I mean, you can tell you started, oh, you barely started before me. Literally just like a few months. I've definitely streamed a lot more times, Shirai. Although lately, look at you, buddy. This was the burn. Why would I burn you? It feels obvious that everyone knows you don't have a lot of viewers. So like, what would be the point of burning you about it, right? It's like, that'd just be redundant, right? Instead, I'll give you an honest answer about that I'm really happy for what I have. I don't need to compare myself to other people to be happy about it, right? Like, I'm happy with where I'm at right now. I'm really happy. I'm thankful that I can do it, right? You know? Crash 2021, so a few months before, and I was completely stopped. Yeah, that makes sense. because during this time, this is a little misleading, these here, because I was mostly only streaming Tuesday nights into so it's like late on Tuesdays into Wednesday and late on Thursdays into Friday. So my hours look like I streamed more days, but I was always streaming for those hours. Yeah, we're doing good. I'm really happy. I'm like, but I'm just saying, like, I don't, like, for example, it doesn't make me feel, how can I say this? It's like, so like a good thing to like try and do, chat, not, this isn't just for streaming, this is like generally in your life, is like, you should not be worried about comparing your success to like someone else's success. So like, it doesn't bother me that Prime has like, you know, 10 times as many viewers as I do. I'm happy for him. He's my friend. You know what I mean? Like, and if all of your time is always like comparing yourself to what other people have and the success at the current time or whatever, you're just gonna have a bad time. Okay. So like, I'm happy Prime has way more viewers than me. I mean, sure. I mean, I wouldn't mind having, you know, 2,000 viewers. I'm not saying, I'm not saying you guys should just go and stop watching me, right? But that's different, right? Viewers in the Netherlands, me. So talk about React with Just. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I think like saying we shouldn't be jealous. No way. Yes, I think so. Just cope. No, I don't think so. Or I don't know if you're memeing though, MN. How do you stay healthy? I've been on a health journey for the past few years. Feel like sitting for 8 hours a day is killer. You should probably take breaks in between, walk around, especially if you're like working on getting healthier. I would take more, see if it's possible for you, take more breaks during the day to do things and then maybe stretch out your day if it's possible. Okay, yeah, that's what I figured. Hard to not like the fair. Yeah. So anyways, drink water. Drink water is a good idea. Yep. You can cut out probably a lot of stuff. How much views is enough? It depends. I do have sit stand. Yeah, lately when I've been doing a lot of programming stuff, I've been splitting, like in the afternoons, I've been standing more often. Yeah, and the views depends on the category too. I think like one thing that's nice about being like software streamer is like people they're like more likely to be employed. Which is helpful for having an audience, chat. Okay. I'm just saying, if your audience is mostly 12-year-olds, you have to like convince their moms to like pay, right? I'm saying like, I'm just saying like, Stu, you know what I'm saying though? Like comparatively. And you have to basically engage in a bunch of stuff that like for me wouldn't be very much fun, right? You just have to try and like find some way to convince like basically them to like, you know, just like won't stay employed if I keep chatting. Chatting, true, for chatting for sure. For now, programmers can afford subscription. Yeah, at least for now, yeah. So we'll see. But that part is definitely helpful. And it's nice because like my content that I like doing is actually building stuff, right? So then that happens to be like very 8 things a zillion. That's funny. Looking into got reversed because of 12-year-olds. Yeah, exactly. So it just tends to work out nicely. Glad my mom let me use her card. Thanks, Zillions, Mom. Appreciate it. It's really nice of you to support unemployed devs around the world. But anyways, that's enough of that. That's enough of that. Star stuff. Hey, thanks for the tier 1. Appreciate it. True, chat. Your AI agent will probably be instructed to come and pay for the channel as well. This needs to get tightened a little. Sorry, it's probably like a little bit weird sounding, but that's fine. There we go. All right. Shall we get back to work? We can do some variety stream at the end of the day, at maybe like 2 hours or something. AI streamers soon. It's already possible, but whether it will be good or not, or whether people want to watch is sort of like a different problem. No case clause containing new subs. Tags. Oh. Hey, Shirai, Shirai, one of the things you said was I need to update my mixed steps get updates, right? You were saying I needed to update these. I'll just update everything. We'll break it all, and then I'll do what we said here. So where was I doing Twitch API instead of okay body? Data, I think is where we had this, right? Response. Rec response. Body. Wow, that's quite the pattern match there. I'm not sure I should write it like this anymore. RXer Racer Blender? I'm not sure. Welcome. My tips on getting an audience when streaming, looking to steal some from you. You should try being funny, Saeed. I haven't seen you do it yet, but I believe you'll be able to get there if you try enough times. AI could replace streamer and viewer shops. True. Only mirror chat overlay squished somehow. Like, it could be squished a little, yeah. Like, is it more, you're kind of thinking more like this looks good? We're gonna fix this soon anyways. TJ being funny. Chat, that's why we have stand-up comedy. T2SDE. Oh, cool, nice. It's like AI blogging's hardly any effort is put in the content. Why is it worth the effort to watch? Well, that doesn't really make sense, right? Because like the value that I get from something isn't always directly correlated with how much someone worked to make it, right? So I think that line of argument is not very convincing. Right? I don't need to put the struct. Oh, I can just go like this. Like this, you're saying? Keep at it over time, you'll grow an audience. That's not necessarily true, but it is one of the prerequisites, I think. Space Pro looks like Napoleon. This is done comedy. That's it. Sit to stand time. There's a huge price difference between 32 and 64. Go with the larger. Oh, wait, what did I miss? I have a PC. I'm trying to build. He wants to play 5M. Now I'm purchasing. I think probably 64 is nice, but I don't know if 128 is good. It's getting real now. Up close and personal. Hey, it's me. Just saying hey again. You're finally at our level of humor. Exactly, chat. Okay. This is the wrong aspect ratio, though, for sure. I don't know what I did for it, but we messed it up. We definitely messed up the aspect ratio of this. Does that seem better? It's too tall. There we go. That looks good. That looks good enough for me. Well, that looks you can marry Beyonce and push. Handsome streamer is handsome. Oh, thanks, chat. I'm assuming you're still talking about me, even though it's a little bit of a surprise. But I mean, I guess some people have said I do have Hollywood energy. But that was in YouTube chat, so it's kind of hard to trust, you know? Oh, hey, thanks, D4Y. It's a little complicated, right? Because it's like, comes from YouTube chat. Wow. Okay. Well, that wouldn't happen. I've got a wife, and she's the only one for me. Scene item. Does this work still? Oh, I typed that in the wrong spot. Scene item. Nice. That's working. Hollywood Leonardo or Hollywood Hollywood Josh Hutcherson. That's what everyone was saying last week. No one said it this week though, so I'm a little worried that it was kind of just like a momentary, like fleeting thing that everyone thought I was looking like Josh Hutcherson. Camera off. Camera on. Nice. That's not gonna work, Bertrand! Worth a shot. I don't think I've watched that one. Mike? Mr. Oxlong? I'm not familiar. Is he from the Eye Ladies organization? LSP off. You seen Google's SEMA? SEMA what? I really need to get you to hook up with a pie and some lights and use nerve stick chat control lights. SEMA. Oh, I couldn't. How did I not see that one coming? Chat. Obviously, I saw that one. We got Prime with the best one so far. Stolen from Thor. There's a video on PHP from Professor D's Nuts. I haven't watched that one. Okay, so we need to start doing... Okay. Shirai, how can I easily play and store audio? How can I play and store audio with Phoenix locally? Or with Elixir? Do I just have to do like MPV? Is there like audio library Elixir? But in an Excel sheet. Wow. Hello. There we go. That was really bright. I don't know what happened. You play on your overlay? But how? What if I want to prevent them from like overlapping, Shirai? Do I know when, like on the front end, like in the browser, you're saying? In my OBS overlay? Membrane. There's a versatile streaming and processing framework. You can use to build media server, which you can stream. Ooh, transcode mix. Okay. Nice. Nice. How's it going? Elixir docs and Pink Panic? If Pink Panic was legible, maybe we could. Oh, wait. Can this let me download from YouTube? Chat. Is YouTube DL still working these days or is it busted? Because we need to add theme songs back. That was what we were gonna do next. I was gonna add theme songs back in the game. This always got me banned? What? When was that, Bertrand? When did I ban you? Do I just have to do YouTube DLP again, manually? Why do you need YouTube DL? Because you're going to be able to do this. Theme song. Set. YouTube. Theme song. YouTube.com link. 0037 0042. And then we'll download that YouTube link and then we'll splice it out. Do you play chess? Not really. I just had a 10 already. Did I actually ban you? I banned you? Well, we just timed you out, right? Surely we didn't ban you. Probably Nick. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, all right. Well, now it makes sense. Yeah, Nyx probably did it. Okay, that's fair. Now it all makes sense. Well, theme song is just a name for an overview of anything you want to play when you walk in. Overlay audio. Yippee! I gotcha. So it could be a clip. It could be a Twitch clip. Last time when I had this working for subbed before, we had Twitch clips. We had... Oh, but this... Should I wait to do this until after we do the Neovim rewrites? Yeah, you can have the Imperial March. Yep. The problem is we could wait till after the rewrite's done. Because this doesn't really affect the rewrite at all. Because I would like to start the rewrite on Monday. Right? What are we missing? No! Committing to Windows. That doesn't work. It doesn't even work. I think he's still exploring both. Anyways, it's fine. Elixir Lula Brazil mentioned exactly. Okay, so let me think. What are the features that I'm missing still to do the rewrite? We haven't done it. Oh, we haven't hooked up Teach coins to everything yet. Okay, we have to do Teach coins. When are you going to do it? Well, probably someday. Like, I don't know that I'll be writing Neovim after I die. But until then, I may. There's a chance, I guess. You never know. Okay, we got to hook up Teach coins to everything. I forgot. That's what we need to do. I didn't really use anything before Neovim. Neovim's pretty much my first editor that I was using. I started using while I was in college. Haven't been able to get off since. I'm a user. Okay, chat, what was I gonna do? Okay, right. So we have events here, and we have channel subscription gifts. Oh, right. We were in the middle of trying this out. Said, just relax, buddy, okay? All right, so... what we need to do is when we get a gift sub, we need to give Teach coins for a gifting. Select star from Teach coins. I have to think about this. I want to do inner join Twitch users on Twitch users dot Twitch ID equals Teach coins dot Twitch user ID, right? Can I do this? I haven't written raw SQL in a while. Does this work? Oh no, it's just ID, isn't it? Yeah, this shouldn't be Twitch user ID. This is wrong. This should just be Twitch ID. Okay, we made a terrible error, but that's fine. Twitch users dot Twitch login count teachcoins.count. Okay. Order by teachcoins.count. Descending. Is that how I do this? Nice. How does Nightbot have 10 points? Oh, because Nightbot's a mod? This is DBUI. We have regerts. Real coins. No, they're not real coins. They're just a in-channel tracking of how many goofy things you can do. You can convert Teach coins to channel points. Yes. Sticky context. I think it's just NVIM tree sitter context thing. Real challenge. Hey, Mama TV. Yeah, it's Dadbod UI. Oh, sorry. Yeah, Dadbod UI is the total name. Nope. There's no way to exchange these. SEC, if you're listening, there's no way to turn this into a monetary value. Okay. There's no way to convert it. They're just numbers in the database. I honestly don't. That's really funny, yeah, man. Okay, so what we need to do here, monetary value, called it. Chat, I'm selling 100 teach. That's not possible, Shy Rye. There's no trading. There's no trading. Just numbers in DB like the other crypto things. No, Lispy, just numbers in a DB like all the currencies in the world currently. You can't sell it. It's not possible. You're using my library, so I'm going to add a Teach Coins giver. You can sell your account. That's against the TOS. That's against the TOS. Okay? Of Twitch. Okay, so now we need to do something where basically you increment the TOS. No, not those. Not that TOS. The terms of service. Where did we do that ink? We did this, right? Total times 5. I always pick up so much new of osmosis. Nice, Bessie. Very cool. So I buy Twitch sub and it gets converted to 5 Teach coins. It doesn't get converted to 5 Teach coins. There's just by doing certain actions in the stream, you can garner Teach coins. Okay? You can garner them. I wouldn't call it a transaction, no. I wouldn't say quid pro quo. What's my quickest favorite way to quickly navigate? Telescope, harpoon, or like alternate file? Oh, cool. What, for dinner? Oh, just snacks? In my room?
It's just a pretty bad. It's okay. I can.
You can put them if you can put them in there in the storage room. Sure, I'll try one. Snack bites. Now let's give them a go. Thanks, honey. Can't buy snacks in Teach Coin. Correct. You can't buy anything with Teach Coin. Let's see if these are any good. Korean barbecue snack bites. Oh. Mm-hmm. Good. Yeah, it's good. Oops. Yes. But you're not buying them. Because it's not money. You're simply deleting your Teach coins and simultaneously I'm going to do something. See how it's not the same? See how it's just not really the same thing? Well, you don't delete the money. Caleb, someone gets your money. I don't get your Teach coins. They just they disappear. See how that's different? I am using the dactyl, yeah. I looked at Twitch TOS and this is fine because you can't exchange it for anything of monetary value. So I'm pretty sure we're safe. Hopefully. How about 10 coins redeemed for a sub from you? What? Oh, I subbed to someone else? No. What if I pay someone to use their coin to do what I want? That's against the TOS. It's that simple, chap. That's against the TOS. These are good. I think TOS is more than just the guidelines, chat. Okay. It's a lifestyle. True. It's a lifestyle. Okay. I've got another thing we can do. We can go to our rewards. Channel rewards. No, not this one. Create rewards. Well, this should only be on when we're running. Okay. We need something else in our rewards. In our channel reward module here. We need, instead of is enabled, we need some condition, basically. Oh, there you go, Lithium. They're hard to come by. Only very few get such a privilege. So what I need to do is I need to say something like whether something's always on. I guess I could just, the problem, okay, so here's the problem, chat. I need to do this only when, oh, maybe I can ask Shirai. Is there a hook somewhere that I can call when everything's closing down? That always gets called. Terminate. Okay. 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 Yep. 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 So I should have a connection tracker, but this just does NeoVim connections. Where did I do NeoVim connections? This is in my Twitch API handler. Smart. That's such a smart spot to put this. Man, I'm good at this. So I have def terminate impl true, right? So basically we want to do this here. I want to turn all of these off when I cancel, basically, right? I want to turn all of the rewards off. Why do I have state? Oh, state off. That makes sense. It's a complicated relationship, Ridge. Yeah. Okay, so, but the problem here is we want some of these. Oh, some of these should only turn on when NeoVim is on, but some of them should always be on. Is ops actually state here? Yeah, this could be state, right? This is state then. So the problem here is our channel reward needs to have something that's not just is enabled. We need something with like a condition, like an enabled condition. So I want to do something more like this. Enabled condition, which is an ecto.enum. Something like this. Right? And we'd have something like, okay, we can have always. We could have NeoVim. And that's probably good for now. Right? Never. Alright, so we could do something like this. Maybe we could say enabled on. Something like this. It's just Monster Cat chill. Reward ID, key, title, and prompt, yep. How do I do? Is this what I do? Oh, cool. Nice. Always, NeoVim, and never. All right. You might need to process monitor for terminate to work. Okay. Just give me the EXE! So this is disable all the rewards when exiting. Should put this below init, I feel like. Thank you. Thanks, Ethics. I appreciate it. Repo. all is it find aggregate let's do query is from R in mixery.channel reward where R enabled on, right? That's what I call it. Enabled on equals. Can I just do this? Always. Oh yeah, equals. That makes sense. Okay, let's see gen servers terminate. Process flag trap exit true. User cleanup, however, is not guaranteed when a gen server exits. Therefore, important cleanup should be done using process links and/or monitors. Monitoring process will serve the same exit reason that should be passed to terminate. Terminate is called gen server traps exit, and the parent process, a callback does one of the following. Returns a stop, raises this. What's up, Total? Welcome. Where are you saying I should put that, Shirai? In it here, like this. Make sure we get a chance to clean up on exit. Okay, it's really not the end of the world if it doesn't work. But basically, most of the ones right now work well. Most of what we have right now works well. But the problem is, for this one, I want to be able to turn channel points into teach coins, right? So it's like, okay, so how do we do that? Well, we need to only enable that when I'm actually listening for teach coin retrieval, right? Yeah, okay, that's fine. It's not like the end of the world. It's, you know, it's just like I can always refund somebody's points if it's not on. So this is like, we're gonna get all the ones that are always on. We're gonna turn those on when we init. But it would have screwed my monitor while playing. Use transparent LCD in front of my real monitor using this. Today's side panel. Oh, cool. Okay, so this should work. So then now this should be, instead of all of these here for NeoVim connections, this should be this. Whoops. Query, where this equals NeoVim. Right? Then we're going to set that to false. And then we're going to do the same thing here, but set this to true. And so now we should never turn on the ones that are always off. I guess we should, when we're starting here, we should also go... Maybe this would actually be easier to do from all of them. Okay, we could just go like this. Channel reward. Let's delete this for a sec. And we can say match, sorry, I keep forgetting that's reward dot enabled on do NeoVim false. Oh, we can say enabled is this. False, always, true, never, false. You can just fall back, I guess, right now. It's fine. And then this can just be enabled. Okay, right? So this is like when we start everything up, we're going to make sure all the rewards are in the right spot, basically, right? So always should be on, NeoVim should be false because we don't have anything connected from NeoVim yet, and never. We set those up. Then we say, okay, so now what we're going to do is for all the ones that have a NeoVim on, when we get a connection, we're going to turn those off. And then when we get a connection, we're going to look for the ones in NeoVim, we're going to turn those on. Nice. Very cool. Very cool, chat. So now we just need to go back to our channel reward here. We need to change this to be enabled on. Validate required. Enabled on. This doesn't check to make sure. How am I supposed? What's the validation for this? Validate enum, probably something like this. Ecto enum. It doesn't say what I would do to validate it. It's just that it's a string, I guess. I guess there's no other way that I can really do that for right now. Shira, you got something where you validate an enum? I can ask ChatGPT too. How to validate an enum for a change set in ecto using ecto.enum. Because I don't know what else I'm supposed to do here. Ecto.validate. It's validated in cast. Oh, so from here it's automatically checked. Got it. Okay. Really? I mean, I guess we can... What is validate inclusion? That's cool. Okay, so it already does this, though. It does that already because we did ecto enum. Okay. That sounds good. So we have enabled on. Enabled on, right? Yep, all those look good. We're only going to change those to turn it into JSON. Colors, I think is what you're looking for. So... Yeah, there you go. Oh, yeah. Orion's happy. Ryan's only been watching from the bath. That's what he DM'd me. And I was like, dude, I don't want to know that. Like, just don't... I don't need to know that info. Like, it's okay. I appreciate that you're here and typing responses. I just like the stream for TJ. Good point, Gustavo. I see Brazil in title. I click. Oh, you guys. You goofs. Okay. So I need to... Where did I make my channel reward migration here? Is this the last one? Oh, nice. So I should be able to just go here. We go add enabled on string. And we just go like this. So then I can do mix ecto.rollback 1. So just roll back that guy. Mix ecto.create or migrate. Okay. And then we need to go to create rewards. So here's where we have, we don't have this. We have enabled on is NeoVim. Is that not? Oh, I need to put a comma here. Yep. Enabled on is NeoVim. Enabled on is NeoVim. This one we're not turning on right now. Enabled on never. And then here we can do NeoVim. So now we have another reward here, which will say, I can't say purchase. Garner channel point or garner Tej coins. And then this is get some Tej coin. Get a Tej coin for 1,000 points for right now. I don't know what these need to be later, but it'll probably be more than this. Garner a Tej coin via channel points. Note, this is not a currency. But also put some priv seeds. But I need to, I'm actually like doing a post request with these Shirai. But that's good to know. Like I'm creating these rewards via this task. Because you can only manage rewards that are created from the client. Josh. Okay, but so now though we need to do map put reward ID here. Map put is enabled false. Oh, no. Map delete enabled on. Map set. Set. Map dot set. Is it not set? Add. Put. Oh, put. Is enabled false. So we're always gonna delete the key, we're gonna delete the enabled on, and we're gonna put is enabled as false. Oh, map.drop, okay. Okay, so we should create this new one here, new reward, and is enabled as false. They're all going to be is enabled as false to start with when we create them. And I need to go through, I think, and delete all of the ones that we have right now. So we'll delete. Okay. And delete. So what hopefully will happen now is when we do mix create rewards, we should hopefully see I created a bunch of new rewards. Become random color scheme, fog or no going back, random color scheme. Oh shoot, did I keep get a teach coin? Where is get a teach? Oh, there's get a teach coin. Oh, nice. Okay, it's working. Okay, so now when I start this mix, well, we should select from our database here as well. Select star from channel rewards. Key, title. Enabled on. Oh, never. Wait, where's my always? Oh, shoot. Okay, so I can do always here. Yeah, that makes sense. Shira, I didn't want to lose everything in this time. Have I got Prime's Git course? Please upload it to torrents. I haven't. I didn't watch it either. Sorry, chat. So I want to do update. How do I even do this again? I haven't written update query in a while. Update. Let's say values. This isn't right though. I say update like enabled on values. Always update table set values. Right. Okay, so update channel rewards, set enabled on value. How do I do a selection then? Can I do where here? Where Or do I do that before? Where, do I do it at the beginning or the end? Reward ID is 6. ID is 6. Where's after? Okay. Like this? Oh, is this... Shouldn't this be like this or something? Oh. Nice, chat. Nice. All right, so now what we should see, get a Teach coin. Nice. Now this doesn't do anything yet, chat. It doesn't do anything. Don't redeem it. You're gonna waste your points. No one is gonna give you a torrent for anything here. You can just go on YouTube if you want to watch one. It's not gonna do anything, chat. It's not gonna do anything. It's not gonna do anything. Handle events. Redemption. Mixer. Broadcast. Reward. Redemption. That's dad bod. UI. What's going on? Oh, we are doing shenanigans with Elixir, controlling Neovim, doing more crazy things. Okay, so reward redemption now. Reward redemption. Where would I want to put this? Oh, nice. Okay, Sharai. Dadbod UI, yeah, it's real. The Databod. Because where do I store all my dad jokes? In the database. Okay. Where should I listen to this? High point redemption make you use VS for 30 minutes. Yes, there will be. I don't know about 30. I also my parents bought me that shirt for Christmas, chat. My own parents. For dad's dad jokes, that's pretty funny. Government approved dad jokes? When did they write this? Wait, but there's no list of them. What is brown and sticky? A stick. Haha. That's pretty good. That's a good one. That's a legit link. Yep. That's a legit link. So it's like, okay, I just could build another. Is it weird to have 1 million? Well, I guess this should be, kind of makes sense. Twitch API handler. I don't know. Make sure you subscribe Neovim connections. Reward redemption. Sure, it can go here for now. Not in love with this location. Might make another server later. Smiley face, but that's okay. Why did Scarecrow win an award? He was outstanding in his field. That's a classic. What is not an editor? VS. When is open source not open source? VS. I made a joke about that with somebody yesterday and they completely missed it. Oh, I was keeping this tweet. Yeah. Someone was saying it would be fun to have me versus someone on code during a stream of video competitions. I said, sure, we could explore the code of the editor running on your machine. I'll allow the VS user to go first. Call me when I can see all of it. And they're like, come on. I thought that was a good one. I liked that one. So this one subscribes here. So then how do we actually pull these back? Oh, right. I just say, okay, I want to handle in this. Yep. Nice. Okay, so now I go back to here. Handle in. Is it handle in or info? Oh, it's info, right? Yep. Okay, and now this reward redemption should have a reward ID. This is not a good plan. Reward. All right, well, we'll just do this. Case redemption.reward do end. I can go like this, right? Mixery.channel reward. This has title. I do not like this at all. They log on. That's a pretty funny one. Get a Teej coin. Okay, this part is bad. This part is bad. We don't like this, but this is what we're gonna do. Bad real life joke. It's okay. A lot of people got it, I think, later. Like, I had a lot of people say, like, they saw it again later, and then they got it, which was funny. Okay, so we have get a Teej coin. You forgot to like your own tweet? Oh shoot, you're right. That's new. That's what's in these days, isn't it? Ink. Def increment. User ID and amount. Do end. So this should really be teejcoin.increment user.id total times 5. Oh, Pedro, hey, thank you. This should also be teejcoin increment user ID amount. Okay. And so then that also means when we go back to our API for Twitch, we should be able to do mixery.teejcoin increment redemption.user ID and amount is 1. And we'll see what that does. And then we need to return no reply state instead of socket, because it's a little weird to say socket when everything else is state here. Let's go Brazil! Indeed. Chat, it's not working yet. Okay, relax. Oh, I should have done a recompile, but that's fine. Where am I? How do I not have the most Teej coins? How do I not have unlimited Teej coins? Didn't work. Okay. Terminating in insert does not match type ID. Okay. I feel like I missed the Brazil reference. It's Lua and Elixir. Oh, that didn't close when I quit too, which is a shame. Unlimited money. Insert does not match type ID. Ecto Room Schema dump field. You know what elixir means? Elixir in Portuguese? Dang, that's pretty cool. User ID 114. Make sure you reward redemption. Yeah. State auth. Tej wallets. We're not gonna do Tej wallets. Channel reward. Title. Oh, do I just need to go like this? What happens now if I do get a Teach coin? Redeem. Then do any. Oh, there we go. Terminating. Insert. For. Does not. Oh, it's not the right type. What's up? All right, this is the wrong type. Did I make IDs into integers? I don't understand. Why does it say error value for this? Twitch user ID in insert does not match type ID. It's Wester. It's written on the stream. True. You can send punishments. Yeah. Here's user ID. Reward ID, key, title. Plus 100 is user input. Only enabled on always. Inserted at. Open that. Okay. Oh, this should be redemption. User ID. I don't get it. I don't get it. Oh. No. This should work. Insert. Inc. User ID. Count. Amount. Teach coin. Twitch user ID. Oh, yeah, okay. I remember now, chat. This user is the wrong user. This was right, because this is their user ID from Twitch. This is where I was wrong. We should just call it Twitch user ID, I guess is the right name, now that I think of it. It's just weird because Twitch user ID is basically what we need. Okay, so this is just the wrong ID. I don't get this at all when I'm doing this channel reward ID, reward ID. No, I mean this one, reward redemption. User ID, user login. Yeah, this user ID is confusing because this is kind of like the wrong one in a sense, right? So maybe we should add Twitch user ID here. And then we can go Twitch user ID is this, and we can go, whoops. Oh my goodness. Twitch user ID, or we can go Twitch user ID, repo, get by Twitch user. This is Twitch ID, right? Twitch user, and so Twitch user ID is Twitch user dot ID. Because this should always happen, I think. They should have always spoken. Or I guess there should be get. Don't I have Twitch user dot Twitch user is this. Okay. Get. Did I not? What did I call this? Oh, here we go. Okay, Twitch login here. Now we're talking. No, this one will always create it. Like it should insert it. Isn't this weird? Shouldn't this be, wait, this is weird, right? Shouldn't this be like, it should be like this, right? It's just completely wrong. Before, nice. Just smashing the inserts there. Just double inserting, no big deal. No matter, even if you have a really good language, it's still possible to be skill issued by your own code, chat, okay? No matter what anybody tells you, it's still possible. So now, where we have this reward redemption, which was in here, we can say Twitch user ID 1. Recompile. Not in Gitlet. Dang. You're gonna solve it? I think I need to restart this completely. I just don't believe it when it says that it's gonna do these the right way. Got a T-coin. Redeem. What's going on? Where's my redemption? No more channels join. Pause. What's going on here? Hello? Why am I not getting anything printed out? Did I not put anything to get printed? Why am I getting nothing here? This just never happens? Got reward redemption. Okay, nice. That's good. Get a Teach coin. Whoops. Okay, we got a Teach coin. So this should be Twitch user ID. Oh, shoot. Twitch user ID is nothing. Okay, well, that's a problem. Twitch user ID. Oh, do I need to do returning on this? Returning. When true. Okay, got it. That makes sense then? What? It doesn't seem like it worked though. It says it inked it, but it sure doesn't look like it. Twitch. Wait, no, this is still not good. Twitch user ID is still nil. Let me just restart completely. I don't believe you. Boom bop doom ba boom bop. Boom bop doom ba boom bop. Twitch user ID is nil. How is that possible? Twitch user. Wait, what? Select star from Twitch users. I think I have something jacked up. Huh. I think I've got something jacked up. This is just the wrong one. I think this table's messed up. Or I need to repeat the database. I shouldn't even have ID on this table. This shouldn't even have an ID. So that's my main problem here. Right? We should just change. I'm going to change everything. I'm going to change everything right now. I don't even care. Twitch ID to just ID. I think we messed up our table somewhere. IDs are automatically injected. Twitch ID. This should get us the Twitch ID. So then I should just go Twitch ID, I guess. I don't know. It's confusing. Let's try doing this again and see if we get something now. But then I don't need this Twitch user ID. I already have one. For primary key false. Oh, okay. Twitch user ID right here. Okay. All right. So we need to go back. We need to go back. Way back. What's wrong with redundancy? When it's not redundant and it's just wrong. All right, so let's go to Twitch user. So we should do at primary key false. Here, you're saying. Right? Has one. Or do I say primary key Twitch ID or something like this? Name, type, or ops. Ecto. At primary. Oh, then I just do this. Or I want to have Twitch ID be the thing. But I'm going to change this anyways to be ID. This is just going to be ID like this. ID already exists. You must choose a different name. Okay. And I'm going to change this to login because I already have this. Okay. At primary key ID string. Okay, because I'm going to get rid of the Twitch prefix. No, we'll keep Twitch ID, I guess. No, it's weird. Oh, okay. Okay. Let me sit down. No, I think ID is a number. It's an auto-incrementing number by default. I want it to be a string. Because that's what we get from Twitch. Yeah, I'm gonna run the whole thing back. Name, type, opt. Like this. No, we'll just delete the whole table. It's fine. There's nothing in the table right now that I need. Table, users, primary key false as well. Okay, yep. Migration for this one. Table. Twitch users. I still want to say that these are Twitch users, though. Rip people's coins? They don't have any coins. The only coins they have are from whether they're subs or not, which will automatically get added. Okay. My coins! But my coin! For a second, I thought they said, oh no, but my cousins. And I was really confused. I was like, what do your cousins have to do with this? What do your cousins have to do? Imagine depending on Teach coins in this economy. Agreed. Especially since they have no monetary value. Once again, I'd just like to repeat. These coins have no monetary value. There will be no ability to go to the moon or hodl, as people say. They are just for entertainment purposes only, for the sole and exclusive use of this channel. Let me repeat myself quickly. Hello, SEC, FBI, Google, Amazon.com, probably Netflix as well, because why not, and Meta. I would like you to know Teach coins are not a monetary instrument. They are simply a tool for education. You don't need a unique index for a primary key. That makes sense. And to say, they were listening the first time. They didn't need me to call them out by name. Even Dogecoin started joking out. Should warn Elon on Twitter. Teach coins are not going to the moon. Okay. So that seems good. To the moon. Table. Teach coins. Twitch user ID. References Twitch user. Count. Integer. I think I want to change this to amount because I don't like having count inside of here because count's also like a function, right? So should we just do amount? I don't like accidentally having count, right? So we're just gonna go fix we're gonna go fix everything later. Oh, do we have to do null? All right, so we'll do null, false. Are all of them default nullable? Shirai, do I need to put null, false on everything then? Okay. You probably want a gen server connect to the website and handle messages. For setting up a server, not a client. Wait, I'm missing. What are you talking to me, Cody? Or someone else? No, it wasn't fast. It's slow. You can't go fast without multi-cursors. Oh, I already have null false twice. Reward ID. Key is still good, I think, right? Channel reward. ID. That one's good. That's the ID that we have saved. Reward ID, this is the reward from Twitch. So maybe we should say Twitch reward ID, right? I wasn't watching live. Okay, I was like, Cody, that seems like a message from a while ago. I'd rather be a little more explicit on that one. Because otherwise it's kind of confusing. Key, title, cost, prompt, enabled on, is user input required. Add prompt. Yeah, those are all the ones that we have right now. So those are all good. Okay, so I think that's all of them that we needed to fix here. So now we go to Shira, do you usually put all, like, these are all kind of look like models. Proof of meme, yeah. Like from another, do you usually put something like mixery.models or like mixery.tables.twitch user? Like, I feel like it's a little bit, like, I find it a little bit weird to have these all sitting like at the same namespace as like everything else. Or like mixery.repo.twitch user. Organize them by context. Well, I have no context, so what do you mean? Locality of behavior, mixery.twitch.user. Oh. I gotcha. So you're saying you went twitch.user here. Oh, because I can completely divorce this from this schema here. This means nothing, right? This does not have to relate to this at all. How would you compare Adobe versus Intel versus AMD for job and e-learning? Adobe? What? Do you mean Apple? That's the only one that I could think of that... What? Adobe? Photoshop? Photoshop's pretty good for kernel info. Oh, to work as an intern. Oh, if you wanted to learn more about kernel, Intel or AMD, probably. But neither, I mean, but those are huge companies. You could like be working on the internal restaurant menu team and be writing React at Intel. Like, it's how could you? Yeah. Context module. Wait, did someone link something good for me to read? Contexts. Oh, so it's not only a thing that Ryan said, but it's a thing. This guide requires you to request lifecycle time. But you can see I've been reading, chat. You can't deny I've been reading. You weren't working on the kernel as an intern no matter where. That's pretty much true. more than most. You're probably right, Cap. He do be reading the manual. I do be reading. Oh, this is for Phoenix. I don't care about this part. So anytime you call Elixir standard library, be a logger info or stream.math, whoops, you are accessing different contexts. Loggers made of multiple modules. Never interact with those modules directly. We call the module the context because it exposes and groups all the functionality by giving. Okay. Yeah, I got you. Okay. Interfaces. I like interfaces. Yeah, I know of the man command, of course. Teachcoin shouldn't be. I guess it's on right here, but it's not gonna work, Chad. It's not gonna work. Teachcoin is a concurrency. It's all about concurrency. Yes. You can use change sets and repos, but we didn't integrate our application at large. A user in our application should live at all. Let's take a step back and think about different parts of our system. That's what I'm doing right now. Naming things is hard. True. If you're stuck when coming up with context name and it isn't clear, you can simply use the plural form of the resource you're creating. For example, products context is for managing products. Jumpstart, we'll do fixed gen HTML. Yeah, okay. We've done this part, I think, already. Oh no, we haven't done something just like this before, but this is fine. Resources product controller. Proof it's not a real coin. Exactly. How many dollary dues to one teach coin? Impossible to compare. There's no transferability. There's no transferability, chat. Only with collab with Intel, Google, Qualcomm can beat Nvidia. Dominance. You'd be surprised. Companies tend to rise and fall. Modified or column, blah blah blah. Start with generators. What am I looking for inside here, Shirai, though? I don't think I want to read this whole thing right now. Okay, catalog. Oh, Pravon, the DB camel thing? I don't know. I mean, I feel like if your language is good at writing stuff for Web3, it's probably getting a lot of actual testing, which is good. Nice. 2 weeks and it was a typo. True. No, let's take a look at catalog create product. Create product. Product. Hello.catalog.product. If we open up the product, heading catalog functions. I'm still not sure, like, what am I trying to look for in particular? Module functions to work with your schema model, nothing more. Okay, so it's just like literally, it's just literally for holding stuff. Let server for, oh no. Oh no, not getting the first message right. Nowadays you only keep the schema definition and chain set in the schema model. Really? Really? So this would be weird to put here, you're saying? I think my regex remove some characters. No. Nice. Twitch is your catalog, users your products, so but the rewards can live in the same Twitch context. Got it. That would normally be in a context module. So just mixery.twitch. I would make a new module, def module mixery.twitch, and then I would put this inside there. And then I would alias mixery.twitch.user inside. And I would do user dot blah, 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 this stuff. Repo, blah, 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 this. Okay, I can buy that. I can buy that. Yeah, get or create by Twitch 2 would live in a context rather than the schema module itself. I can understand that. Okay. Right. There's nothing magic about it, but it's just a nice way of structuring the code. Yeah. You're not my manager. Hey, like, you guys listen to your managers anyways. It's not these Fs. Yeah, like, do you just for an hour and a half, almost went crazy. Issue Copilot hard-coded expected check to hello string. Let's go, AI-driven dev. Okay, so the good strategy here is make a new directory, Twitch. I just like how here we have Mixery and we have Mixery Web. Then I make a Twitch.ex. I go def module Mixery.twitch do end. Right? Now we go and we open up our Twitch user module here. And we yoink all of this. We could probably just rename this. If I rename this, do I name this Twitch/user? Or do I name it Twitch/Twitch user? Twitch/user probably, right? Twitch/user. Yep. Alias mixery.repo. Alias mixery.twitch.user. Now I just go like this. User. ID. Change set. User.change set. Repo. Insert. Returning true. On conflict nothing. Yeah, but I would just search for Twitch user here and I would get the thing that I want. Yeah, Cody, I know. I'm just asking what the convention is. Right? If I'm going to learn some Elixir on stream, we're going to make it look good, chat. Except for the parts that Ryan really cares about, we're going to do the opposite. Just so it's so close and yet so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. Because we let it crash. We're going to let the code smash onto your screen. I don't know. I couldn't think of another rhyme. I got too distracted with let the code smash, and I couldn't think of any way to make that be good. I just didn't. I was all done. I was all done at that point. Bomb dia. Throw conventions to the trash. Eventually Ryan's bathwater will get cold. Could be a local development environment problem. True. Okay, so now I've got mixery.twitch.user. Okay. So then we go teach coin. I'm just gonna rename this to coin. And this is no longer Twitch user. Twitch user. No. No. Yes. 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 Oh, we should go back. Yes. 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 A bunch of these are going to be a problem, though. Oh, but this one can just be like this now, which is nice. But then this should probably be user, right? Which I guess is like nicer. Oh yeah, we have to go find all the places where he said count as well. Yeah, that'll be tough. Yeah, that's a separate one. We got to go here and we go amount. Count. Amount. I have exposure to information overload in my medical. Nice. Belongs to mixery.twitch.user. This is nice. This is pretty nice, chat. This is pretty nice. I'm just gonna rename this to coin as well. My color scheme, Guru buddy. Elixir doesn't care about. Yeah, Cody. All right, so this is good. I mean, we're breaking literally everything. That's okay. That's okay. All right, so I'm following along here. We're back in Mixery. Okay. Application. Okay, this is fine. Channel reward. Mixery. So this should really be Mixery.twitch.channel reward. Right? Twitch reward ID. Reward ID. Oh, before I forget, we need to go to create rewards because that one is ID is Twitch reward ID. Oops. Twitch reward ID because that one's definitely that's okay because we don't have a type system or tests. Yeah. Right. We broke everything. Mixery.twitch.channel reward. So then you would just go at the very least alias mixery.twitch right here, right? And if I go like this, can I go here? Will this still find it? Right, so then this should be twitch.channel reward. Mixery channel reward. We got to rename this. Rename Twitch channel reward. Okay. Oh, did I type mixer? Ah, gotcha. Thanks. Twitch channel reward. That makes sense. Okay, I don't know why that doesn't like that. I don't know if it's just because we just changed everything. Should probably just LSP restart. I don't know if I like where coin is. Okay, so now we make a new OBS here. Whoops. We go Mixery. Right, we go to here and we go OBS, right? Twitch.channel reward should work, yeah. Yeah, but Shirai saying like if I wanted to do a full search replace for the alias, like if I move it, then I can search and replace everywhere for mixery.twitch.channel reward. I can switch that to mixery.twitch.newthing.channel reward. It says Twitch in one row. Nice. Okay, so now we can move all of these into an OBS thing. We'll do that shortly. Repo, that's fine. Mixery.reward redemption. This is going to be a Twitch. I should make sure I type that correctly. Reward redemption. And this can be module because I'm cool. I do like that because the files have nothing to do with the module name. I can just move them as I please. But you still put, so then you're saying do you have like a naming convention, Shirai or other Elixir people, for when you how can I say it? Like for making schemas versus like something else? You still just like you don't do anything different for like user. You know what I'm saying? Or like I tried to say, like, because this is a gen server, so you don't do anything different. That this is a gen server, you don't care. You just put this in mixery.twitch. API or something like this. I don't know. That's because he has excellent taste. He has excellent taste, that's why. He gets all of his work done every day in about 15 minutes because he writes Elixir. I don't know if I like calling it API though. That's like this is like HTTP, right? That might be a better name because this is doing all of the like HTTP requests. Yeah, that would be better, right? This is like our HTTP. I really don't put server or anything inside of it. It just feels so weird to not have like the word server inside of this thing for me. HTTP thing. Okay. No, I know. I mean, I know I can. Yeah, there are some suggestions around that, separating schemas, service repositories, prefixes, and the files and module names. Yeah. Things server. So we could do like API server. Like this. Like that would be a pretty reasonable one for me in this case. Because it's a little weird because it's like well, but it's like not really an API. It's like I'm connecting to theirs, but I'm a client. That's what I'm saying. API client. It's really a client, right? Maybe we should just call it client. But we have a few different clients, right? API client server. API client server factory gen 2. Final. Dot Vercel. Just in case. You never know. Factory. I do sometimes. Okay, yeah. Channel server and message server. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. So I'm like a client, right? So I'm a client, but it's a gen server. So it's a little bit weird. So maybe I should say like client dot like HTTP or something, right? Like this is my HTTP client. This is where I can do all of the things. Some of these should probably move somewhere else, right? Like it doesn't really make sense for some of these necessarily to be here. Maybe it does. Maybe it's fine that these go here and we handle this. And this is where we send all of stuff. This part's probably fine. API client. Right, this one probably should be like HTTP client. Brazil! Because then we have our Twitch events here. This is really event sub. So this should be like Twitch dot event sub client, right? Like that would make these two make sense. Right? And then this is like IRC client. Twitch.irc client. Right? You shout out my home country? It's Detroit. Wait, Bad Cop, I didn't know you grew up in Detroit. I guess we talked about this, I think, at some point, but I forgot. Well, the clients are in the lib, and these are event handlers. Okay. That the client delegates to. What theme are you using? I use Groove, buddy. Consumer. IRC handler is probably good. Yeah, like that is what this one does, right? I mean, like, IRC handler is probably good. I'm just trying to get a feel for how we want to structure the project, right? Like, we haven't spent any time thinking about names up until now. So it's like we can think a little bit about it at this point, right? This one, this is like def module mixery.obs. But all in a single file. That I definitely don't want to do. This would be obs.state. You can put that one inside the other module. Like this. And it inherits it. Always. This is mixery.obs.state. Oh, nice. So for simple structs and some other stuff. Okay. Nice. Very cool. I guess we could do the same thing here, right? This is OBS. Well, we could just change this to be just request response. I need to get I have Elixir, right? Okay. I should get some motion set up for a few of these. Yeah, that makes sense. I do kind of like handler because it's not really a client or a server. Internet relay chat client event handling manager process. Gen server fresh. I think handler is nice. I think that's the name I'm going to go for. Is this the rest of the file? Oh no, it's not quite the rest of the file. Oh, we probably don't even need, we can just call this handler. We're not going to make anything else besides. There's nothing else besides WebSocket handling. We don't need to say WebSocket. We can just say handler is fine. Why do handler but no footler? Well, it's because that they're all doing football. Wouldn't they only use their hands? Because it's American football. Where are the factories? Feet cam on. What? How do I do private? Isn't def p? Def p is protocol, right? No. Defines a private function. Okay. It's unused. Yeah, in Java, you don't need those. True, what I meant is factory. Indeed. Okay, I can make an opcode for these, right? I watch people program on Twitch. I want to get a noisier keyboard. Oh no. That wasn't even that good. Let's go back to English. What? Sorry, chat. I disappointed you. No! All right, one more time. Oh! Ah, my brain! This is so bad. Dang it. It's almost like I get more tired. I know, washed up. I'm actually in the keyboard. I think I need to just tighten my, I need to tighten my camera thing. I don't know. He fell. That's it. He fell off! He really fell off! I missed the old teach! I was really hoping that was gonna be the one. I was really hoping that one was gonna be the one too. Like, you know what I mean? It was going so well at first. I was actually typing fast. Oh my goodness, he fell off, chat. Nightshade, that's enough. Shoot, I literally can't focus for 15 seconds. I can't even focus for 15 seconds. I can't. What? What happened? What happened? I'm tilted. I think I'm tilted. I turned 30. Well, as soon as you get one mistake, the run's over. It doesn't count unless you get 100. I'm so back. Just watch the next video.